Meaning of fob watch.
Fob watch.
Fob watch.
Fob watch.
Fob watch. A fob watch is a small, portable timepiece that has a chain or ribbon attached to it for easy carrying in a pocket or purse. It's an older style of watch that was popular in the past and often used by men as a fashion accessory. Fob watches typically have a simple design with a white dial and black hands. They're considered a classic and vintage item and are often sought after by collectors. Overall, a fob watch is a charming and practical accessory that adds a touch of old-world elegance to any outfit.